I learned to love the cantorial pieces. And to this day, I say the only way to really know Yiddish music is to have sat in a synagogue and listened to the chazonische shtick that they did. That rubbed off on you because Jewish people, when they pray, they're praying to God. They're pleading with God for certain things. Uh, Let me be safe. Let me be healthy. Take care of my wife. Take care of my children. And all of those prayers are tearful. They're tearful. In Yiddish, that would be called troyedig. And, uh, and so Yiddish songs were like that. I feel that Yiddish music is really a derivative of the music that you hear in the synagogue. And I play that. I play with that feel because I grew up with it.